All right, so we're going to do, all right, welcome back to Loose Demos. Today we're going to talk about how to get Linux subsystem running on your machine. So first thing we're going to do is go into our control panel. So two easy ways of doing it. One is we can go to the File Explorer here and type in control. Type in control panel, and you can see I didn't spell it correctly the first time and got launched the other thing. So from here we can go into our programs, program and features, and we want to go right here to turn on Windows features on and off. So we're going to go here, scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to see Windows Subsystem. So we're going to enter that, hit OK, and then that should be it. We're going to install this functionality, and then from there we'll be able to go to the store and download the subsystem. It's kind of funny, you have the apps in the store, you download it, but it doesn't work unless you install this functionality, which I tried doing earlier. Because in the older version you had to do this in the command line. In the newer one, or the mid-levels, you can do it. And I'm going to restart, and I'll see you guys back in a moment. Alright, so we're back from rebooting. So we're going to go ahead and open up the Microsoft App Store. Because here's the other thing, it does not tell you when you install it that you need that functionality part. So it only tells you when you run it. So here's the different flavors. You do have to be logged in with your Microsoft account. So one of the things I want to point out to you, when you're looking at these, you need to verify, you go to system requirements, you need to make sure you're at the latest build or a build higher than this. So they're recommending you have this level of build. So if you're not sure how to do that, just go to your control panel again, go to system, scroll all the way down to about, and you can see there's your build. It doesn't matter what version of Windows, so it doesn't matter if you're running Windows 10, Enterprise, Evaluation, Home, whatever. You just need to have the build number. So there's the OS build. So if you're not familiar with the builds and stuff like that, so you would know if you're the latest one. Right now they got rid of IE and now they have, or Edge, and now they have their Chromium. So if we do a quick and if we do a quick list of their build numbers, let's see, it's not Microsoft's posting. Well, let's look at this cheat sheet and see. And it's not a very good cheat sheet, so all else fails. Let's go to the wiki. So these are the different builds when they're coming out. So you can see H2 is in October, so that's the latest build. So these are the different, then they have their little creation names, builds, version numbers, and builds here. So here you can see the different build numbers, so the different milestones and patches. So when they came out, so essentially you would just do a Windows update, check your Windows updates, and it should get you to the next build. So then from there, we're going to just click install. And here you can see that it's installing. So this is not installing the whole like Ubuntu on the machine. This is essentially giving you the, so then we can pin it, launch it, and let's see, this is going to work. So without that subsystem, it definitely will air out much quicker. So that's the funny part, is when you install this, it does not go in there and add that feature for you. You have to turn that on separately, which is kind of a funny part of Windows. Well, this certainly does take a while. Well, there we go. Guess we'll just create a username and a password. Make sure we know what we typed in the password. There we go. We successfully installed Ubuntu sub command line, or the bash section of Linux. So here you can see we can do our Linux commands. There. You can see there's our little folder structure and all that running as an application. So if we want to go back to this again, we can just literally click on start. And here I already did the Debian earlier. That's how I found out that you gotta do the other option. All right, so just launch it. There we go. So that includes our little demo, or how to set up Linux subsystem for Windows. And this demonstration is based on the latest version of Windows 10 at the recording, which is Windows 10 build number 20H2. Thanks for watching. Bye.